Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn Excel best time saving secrets flash fill. Trust me, once you master this tool, you will save hours on data entry and feel like a productivity expert. We will be using 5 practical examples to show you just how powerful flash fill can be. So let's jump right in and transform the way you work with data. In the first example, you can see that we have the first and second name and we want to split them, and we can use this very easily with the help of flash fill. Like for example, if I write the first name and then try to drag it down to copy, you can see that it will not work and only the first name will be copied. So to make use of flash fill, I will go to this button and click this flash fill. So you can see that the magic happens. Flash fill actually tries to recognize the pattern and then give the results. Similar can be done for the extraction of the last name. So we can write Robert. And for the next, we can use the flash fill with the help of a shortcut that is Ctrl E. So you can effortlessly get the last names using the flash fill. Similarly, if we want to get the initials of the first and the last name, we can use the flash fill. For the first name, I will write JR, and for the next, when I write M, you can see that in the light gray color, Excel automatically recommends that if I want to use the flash fill, because it has recognized the pattern that I want to get the initials of the names. So I simply need to press enter to get the initials. In the third example, you can see that we have the first and the last name and we want to combine them to get the complete name. So I'm going to write the first name. Now I will use the third method of using the flash fill. For this purpose, I'm just going to select this range and then we'll go to the home tab, and here under the editing, I will use this fill button and then select the flash fill. So you can see that we have combined the name without using any formula, just using the flash fill option. Now in the next example, you can see that we have the names, and suppose that all the people are working in the same company and we want to make the email address using the first and the second name. How we can do this? Let's learn. So first I'm just writing the first name dot the last name at the rate of zoom.com. And for the next, I will use the shortcut Ctrl E, and you can see that I get the email addresses of all the names in the same pattern. Now the last example is that if we want to get the proper case letters for the first and the second name, we can use the flash fill option. You can see that some of the name are in the proper case and some are not. To make all the names in proper case, we can use the flash fill. So I'm going to write the first one in the pattern that I need, and then I will just use this drag and drop method along with selecting the flash fill, and you can see that all the names are now in the proper case. And there you have it. Flash fill is a game changer when it comes to boosting your efficiency in Excel. I hope these examples have shown you just how easy it is to use and how much time it can save you. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy excelling.